Welcome to the Math News, and I'm your host, Austin McGoey, and today we're going to be going over what's new in grade 6 math. Now I'm going to show you how to convert fractions into a decimal. So, for example, here I have 3/4. I'm going to bring it to 100 because it's easier to convert into a decimal that way. So, 4 times 25 equals 100. Then you have 100 for the denominator, which is what I wanted. And then what you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. So, 3 times 25, which equals 75. And now what you do is, it's pretty easy. You just have the zero decimal, and you add the 75. Introducing the giant Staples calculator, only $1.75. Now I'm going to tell you how fractions, decimals, and percents relate. They all relate because they can become one another. A fraction can become a percent, and a percent can become a fraction, and a decimal can become a fraction. They all are tied together. For example, say you have 26 over 100. It's also 0.26, and it's also 26%. It's a ruler. It can be used for many things and is a very useful tool in measurement for a math class. I'm going to explain to you why it sometimes is better to use a percent instead of a fraction or a decimal. For example, say 1/5 of people like hockey. It would be more effective, though, to say 20% of people like hockey. Now I'm going to explain when it's better to use a fraction instead of a decimal or percent. For example, say you ask for half of a glass of orange juice. You're not going to say 50%. Can you give me 50% of a glass of orange juice? It just doesn't make sense. Now I'm going to explain to you why it's better to use a decimal instead of a fraction or a percentage. For example, say you ran a race in 2 minutes 47 seconds. It wouldn't make sense to say you ran a race in 2/4700ths. It would make more sense to say you ran a race in 2.47 minutes. Thank you for watching the Math News.